Hi everyone, my name is Jodi Liu. I'm currently working as a legal director of a new energy company in China. My relationship with privacy is because our company is involved in some cross-border data needs. So we have a business need for data compliance and data export. At the same time, with China's personal data protection laws introduction, privacy and data protection are hot topics in China's legal field. For me, I also want to study this part of the content and explore the secrets of data compliance. Honestly, I compared many training institutions and finally chose CIPPtraining.com because, first of all, I need to figure out the test format of IAPP and to see whether it is enough to just look at the textbook, because you do not know what's in the book and what's not on the test. So I need someone to explain it to me and sort it out. And I also need to practice questions. But I need to learn more about the type of questions. The CIPPtraining.com provides practice questions in each unit. And to the end of the course, there are 3 sets of mock test questions, including case studies. They are very useful for me to practice and get familiar with the question types. I spent 1 week reading by myself and another week taking this online course and practicing this test, and then I passed the CIPP US exam. After that, I took the same approach and spent another half month and passed the CIPPE exam. So I passed the CIPP US and CIPPE exams in just 1 month. I feel delighted not only for the result, but also for the learning process. This course helped me sort out the core content of each chapter. I first read the textbook and then sorted out myself. After that, I compared what I had sorted out with what the teacher had summarized. For example, sometimes the teacher's summary may be cross-chapter, and some points may be the key points of the exam, but I did not pay much attention. Therefore, the summary and exercise of each chapter in this course are very helpful. I think the reason why did I pass the exam so quickly is all because the teaching and course design of CIPPtraining.com were very sophisticated. I think this course will be helpful for people who want to pass the IAPP certification exam. For this reason, I would very much like to recommend this course to others. By the way, I would like to thank the customer service staff of this course very much. Whenever I send emails or raise questions and demands, they are very patient and detailed in answering my questions and provide me with solutions. I think choosing CIPPtraining.com is one of the best decisions I've made in this year, and undoubtedly it is an excellent choice for me.